welcome back to the channel. What I'm going to do on this this video is, obviously we've got the new Voyager that we bought, but we're not very happy with the lock that's on the garage door. Obviously it locks in two positions. But what we're thinking of doing is putting just another lock on there, just to give us a little bit more security. Listen, if somebody wants to break in, they'll break in, but yeah, I think that's the way to go. Yeah, I'll show you what's actually supplied in the kit. This was a kit of 3 that I purchased. Obviously you get 3 of the locks, obviously swivel up 90 degrees. You get the back plate that goes on, the screws, and obviously the beauty of this is, obviously this set of 3 all uses the same lock, all uses the same key, which makes it a lot easier for when you're storing your keys. Comes with a back plate that goes on, obviously a rubber seal gasket that goes on the back on the inside, but I'll show you how that's fitted. And what I'm going to do is just run a piece of 522 around the edge, just to make sure it's sealed nice and easily. So that's going to fit on there. Obviously it lifts lifts up on the mechanism. Yeah, it looks really easy to do, so I'll show you how I actually installed it. Well, got everything I think we need. I hope so anyway. So I've got obviously got a drill, got some masking tape, got a level. So obviously we want to get it on there nice and level. Right, I made an executive decision. I'm coming down 350, 350mm there, because aesthetically I think that looks better than having it right on top of that other lock. So right, let's get some lines drawn and some holes drilled. The dreaded part, drilling into your new motorhome. Always a little bit of an anxious moment. Yeah, so there we are, level both ways. Yeah, and we can now mark the holes. Of where we're actually going to drill. Okay, so what we've got is an automatic centre punch, which gives us a nice centre dot, which makes it so much more easy to drill. Okay, right, what I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole first on both of these. Just making sure, double checking nothing behind. There we go. And now to put the main drill through, they're 6mm screws. There we go, 4 holes drilled. So we can now take off this masking tape. So obviously the gasket is going to go on the outside with the, let's just make sure there's no markings on there to see. Might have expected a little slit at the bottom, but there's no right or wrong way to actually fit that. Lips and clear. So we could put the plate on the back. This knobble part obviously sits like that because the plate then clips on the back of that, the cover plate. So there's one with a washer. There's two. So there we have. There's the screw sticking through. Here it is. Put the light on. See if it make any difference. No, because the ignition's not on. And there's the plate that sits nicely on the back, which again covers up. You get a nice cover plate that goes over that, so it's all nice and neat. So all we need to do now is fit the gasket first. Yeah, just make sure that gasket is really nice and flush. Obviously the lock then goes on and you screw it from this side. Yeah, to make sure all the screws are actually on the thread, and then obviously just tighten them up just so that they're just pulling in. Yeah, they're pulling in, so they're all about the same. All about the same. Just put them in there. Don't over tighten it. It doesn't need to be over tight. You've got a rubber gasket on there, and then now they're all relatively tight. What I'll do is just then go diagonal. 3 turns on there. 3 turns on there. 3 turns on there. 3 turns on there, and there it is with the cover plate on, so you can hardly notice it. So yeah, really easy operation. Put it down, put the key in, turn it, then obviously put the little weather protector over. And yeah, job's a good one. There we go. The other one fitted on the other side. And that one there. I hope you found this this vlog interesting. Yeah, it just gives you a little insight in how easy it is actually to fit these locker locks. Just gives it a little bit more security. Hope you've enjoyed it. So please like and subscribe, and follow us on our travels. Ciao for now.